We are entering a new era, the era of personal branding. You might have heard it already. Everybody's starting a personal brand, left and right, me included. But there's a good reason for it. Personal branding gives you leverage in any activity you do. If you build a personal brand with an audience that is really thrilled to learn about you and what you have to say and listen to you, you can get them to do anything. Those are like a cult that want to fight for you. If you can achieve that level, you have a true brand that has true value. You want to achieve that. But to achieve that, you have to be different. Today, a lot of new personal brands take a lot of inspiration from the masses. 80 to 90% of all the videos on TikTok or Instagram that you see are all really similar. They all hop on trends, want to do the newest shiny opportunity, but nobody's really focusing on being unique. You are already unique if you have a personal brand. I don't want to understate that, but if you want to be truly unique in this small pool of personal brands, I'm going to show you how right now. So basically it's really simple. There are just a couple of steps you have to do and then implement this whole system to get a truly unique personal brand that respects your values, reflects them in your content and gets you people you want to. So how do we start? Well, it all starts at a whiteboard with a piece of paper or just your notes app. I want you to write down what you really value, what you really enjoy doing, your hobbies, your interests, what you're changing right now, how you want to be in the future. Just write down your name and then brainstorm around it. What defines you as a person? Is it an interest for climbing, photography? Maybe you're a foodie. Maybe you like cars like me and clothing. I want to implement those into my personal brand. So if you have wrote down maybe 10 to 20 different things, I want you to create a vision in your mind what this could look like, how you could implement those things. Start writing down some content ideas. Maybe you already have a personal brand, but you can implement this anyways. You can start being unique today. And starting today is better than starting tomorrow. The best day to start was 10 years ago, 15 years ago. The second best day is today and right now. That's the earliest point in life you can start. So take action and do those things. So as I said, I want you to envision what you can create in the future. I want you to envision how your personal brand will look in 5 years from now, maybe. What your perfect outcome would be. I don't want you to write down, I want to have 10 million followers on Instagram, or I want to have a supercar. I want you to write down, what will people think of me if they see my personal brand? Everybody has a personal brand, but I guess when you're building it actively, you want it to work for you, not against you. So use this leverage that you have, this mass, this distribution that is offered to you for free, and take the leverage and create an opportunity from it. So if you have that, basically the next step is implementing it. So how do we implement this system? I want you to write down one thing that you want to change in your next video that reflects your true personality, because everybody is unique. I don't want to understate that. Everybody is unique as a person. That's a definition of a human being, if you want to. Everybody has different fingerprints, so you are unique. But reflect that as well in your personal branding as you do in your normal social life. I guess in your normal social life you won't be or don't want to be what everybody else already is around you. So take that and do one change in your next video, or if you're active on LinkedIn or X, implement it in your next post. Let some interests or hobbies shine through the character that you're promoting online. This uniqueness gives your brand really the value that people want to connect with you as a person, because they're interested in your expertise, how you can create this packet of different things that combine each other, and they help you to really leverage this. So be intentional, be sure who you want to serve with your content, how you want to display yourself, and how you want to implement those really easy 3 steps to create a truly unique brand. And if you already have a personal brand, maybe think about how can I implement this without losing too many people in my audience. How can I implement this in a smooth way? Maybe this will take some time. Okay, maybe it will take a month or 2, maybe 10 to 20 content pieces. But implement your own style of filming, creating, editing, or what's your background, or how you want to be reflected on the internet. Really think about it. And yeah, keep building.